I'm Pro Football Hall of Famer LeRoy Butler, and you're about to leap into the kitchen with the butler and the chef. Now come on and meet the chef. Hey chef.
Yes, sir.
I need you to crack these eggs. Expert. No way. Oh wait, I see a shell
I
in
do
there.
too.
Oh, you gotta.
Oh, look at that. Boom.
I learned it from my grandma. She said, touch it, it's like a magnet. Yeah, get the whole stick of butter in there. 'Cause I'm from the South. Start diets on Monday. Because somebody's watching this. That's gonna go against my diet. If it's not on Monday, go through it. So Mars, why did you suggest panko instead of regular breadcrumbs on my mac and cheese?
So panko breadcrumbs, or Japanese style breadcrumbs, are a lot more coarsely ground than the kind of breadcrumbs that you get in the store, the finely ground breadcrumbs. Also, there's no crust in the breadcrumbs, so when you get a toast on it, it's going to have a more even toast, and you'll get a much better mouthfeel.
This guy's amazing, man. That's why you gotta ask the expert. Thank you, Mars.
You're welcome.